Are you getting the Newtonsoft JSON Rhino module DLL error after the Robert McNeel update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. As we prepare the manual solution for Newtonsoft JSON Rhino module, feel free to use the suggested utility for comprehensive system maintenance. This is the Newtonsoft JSON Rhino module, a specialized build of the Newtonsoft library for the Rhino 3D modeling software. It manages the serialization of plugin data and user settings. If missing, Rhino plugins, like Grasshopper, will fail to load, reporting an assembly load failure at startup. Now that you're up to speed on the files role, let's begin the repair process. Newtonsoft.json Rhino is distributed specifically with Robert McNeel and should never be downloaded as a standalone file. Reinstall the latest official version of Robert McNeel to restore this dependency correctly through the official installer. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Newtonsoft JSON Rhino module component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. I strongly advise you to prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Newtonsoft JSON Rhino module. Third-party DLL sites are a primary vector for hackers to inject ransomware directly into your operating system's core. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. Streamline background processes by reviewing the maintenance utility linked below for Newtonsoft JSON Rhino module. To support our technical team and receive updates on Newtonsoft JSON Rhino module resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.